Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. Today we are going to be creating these heart ear climbers. This Pinterest inspired design is perfect for a DIY Valentine's Day outfit. So let's jump into creating these ear climbers. Starting off our materials, we are going to be using a 20 gauge solid brass wire. We have a file and then we also have a ruler. And then for our pliers, we will be using some nylon jaw pliers, our wire cutters, and our needle nose pliers. To begin creating our ear climbers, we are going to pull out a length of wire and smooth it out with our nylon jaw pliers. Placing the wire onto our ruler, we are going to measure out 3.5 inches. Holding the wire at that measurement, we will use our wire cutters to clip the wire. Then we're going to go ahead and cut our second piece of wire for the other ear climber, measuring again to 3.5 inches and cutting it off with our wire cutters. Now taking our needle nose pliers, we are going to begin creating the hearts of the ear climber. Placing the end of the wire into the very tip of the pliers, we are going to bend it over and create a loop. Readjusting our pliers, we are then going to create the point of the heart. Bending the wire straight up after creating this point, slightly over bending it to create a sharp angle in the wire. Then we are going to take the long end of the wire and wrap it around to create the second half of the heart. Wrapping the wire in the same place on the pliers so that these loops or the circles are the same size. Bringing the wire up and around, we are going to begin creating the second heart. We want the hearts to have a tumbled look, so as long as we keep the hearts the same size, we're going to bend them in different directions. Using the same process to create the second heart by creating first loop and then creating the point of the heart and then bringing the long end of the wire around to create the second half of the heart. Readjusting our pliers as needed, we can use them to draw the hearts together and bring the entire design together. To create our last heart, which is going to be upside down to the other two, we're going to wrap the wire around in the opposite direction. Bringing the long end of the wire up and around in the opposite direction as we did the first two hearts, so that the point of this heart is upside down from the other two. Creating the second half of the third and final heart, we're going to wrap that long end of the wire behind the entire design. Before bending this into an ear climber, we are going to take our file and smooth down the end of wire. Now placing the entire design back into the pliers, we're going to bring that long end of wire around to the back of the earring to create the ear climber. Then placing our pliers back on the wire a little bit down from the end of the wire, we're going to slightly bend it over to create a little hook on the wire. Then we can go back in with our needle nose pliers and adjust the hearts and the entire design until it is to our liking. Having finished our first heart ear climber, we're going to go on and create the second ear climber. I wanted to create these in a mirrored fashion, so we're going to be wrapping these hearts in the opposite direction of what we did on the first ear climber. I placed the first ear climber on a little piece of foam so that I could keep it nearby and look at it so that I could use it as a pattern and mirror this second ear climber after it. Checking your first ear climber to make sure that you're bending the second one in the opposite direction so that it is mirrored and not matching. This, I must admit, took me several attempts to have the hearts be actually mirrored and not matching the first ear climber. Creating a little loop, then bending the wire up to create a point of the heart, over bending the wire to create a sharp angle, and then creating a second loop that is the same size as our first one. We're then going to go on and finish creating the hearts. Our third and final heart, you need to remember to bend in the opposite direction so that it is upside down from the first two hearts. Always placing the wire into the same depth into the pliers so that the loops of the hearts all end up the same size. This will help give the ear climber a uniform look. Creating the third and final heart on this ear climber, you can see I accidentally bent the wire in a wrong position. So I'm just going to gently unbend the wire. Using some chain nose pliers, I straightened out the wire so that I could re-bend everything in the correct shape. Bending wire like this is always a little bit of a risk because if you overbend wire, it will snap off. With this in mind, it's best to always go slowly and make sure that you're bending the wire correctly the first time. And don't allow yourself to stress over it because you can simply restart the design, get a new piece of wire, and try again. Time and practice and patience will help you improve your design each time. Now to get back to creating our heart, we are going to finish wrapping the final heart, and then we're going to bend the long end of the wire towards the back of the ear climber to finish creating the ear climber. Placing the wire into the tip of the pliers, we're going to create that little hook on the back of the ear climber, and don't forget to file the ends of wire so that everything is smooth. Once you have finished creating the design, go back in if you feel like you need to with your needle nose pliers and bend the hearts, twist them closer together, adjust the design until you are happy with how it looks. And now we have finished these earrings. I really love the way these hearts came out looking like they tumbled across your ear as you wear the ear climbers. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and making and wearing your new ear climber earrings. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my channel where I have many more wire jewelry designs for you to enjoy. I would appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so that you are notified every time I bring out a new tutorial. Now thank you again so much for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.